Welcome to Spotlight for Success by American Book Company. We are here at the South Carolina Council of Teachers of Mathematics with Marsha Neal with Carolina One Real Estate. Welcome, Marsha.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit about what brought you here to SCCTM?
Sure. I am a teacher and a realtor. So I teach middle school in Charleston, South Carolina, and I've been a realtor for 1 year.
Wow. And so what brought you into, what are some things in the classroom you're currently teaching?
Yes.
All right. And so what kind of things have you brought or that you're hoping to get out of this conference dealing with teaching?
I'm actually on the board, so
Okay.
I've helped set up, and I'm helping run the SCCTM and NCTM booth, and then I also have my real estate booth. We're trying to open up the home ownership to teachers across the state, so we have numerous programs through Carolina One that can help teachers with down payment assistance programs. So
Wow.
by coming here where it's all teachers, I'm able to give them information that they might not get elsewhere.
That's wonderful. Do you have any stories to share about a particular situation where you felt like you were able to be really helpful with Realty One?
Yep. I just helped get a first-time home buyer into a brand new home.
Wow.
She actually stopped looking because she got discouraged because she didn't think she made enough money. But
Okay.
then with some new builds, there's a lot of incentives that people don't know about. If they're not using a realtor, they're not able to know about these incentive programs. So we were able to get her into a brand new house for cheaper than she was paying her rent.
I've enjoyed spending over a decade of my life serving North and South Carolina with American Book Company. Our materials are standards-based. They're written specifically for your state standards. The nice thing that our teachers tell us they love so much about our program is it's easy to implement. And if you're teaching the next page in an American Book Company book, you're teaching your state standards because, again, we write specifically for those standards. In fact, we're so sure that you're going to have success that we have a money-back guarantee that you will have success with our products. So please continue watching and contact me to find out more about our money-back guarantee.
Wow, that is a success story right there. Wow, how incredible is that? And so you're doing that day in, day out,
Yes.
helping people
Yes.
like her. Fantastic. That's great. And so how does that work within your realty team?
I have loan officers that work with us, and we just pair up and try to get the information out to as many people as we can.
Okay, that's awesome. And I understand that one of your compadres is here. Is
Yes.
that correct?
Yes, Casey's here with me today. I did want to mention that even though we're located in Charleston, we have referral programs. So if you contact me, I can help get you into a house no matter where you live, even if you're in a whole nother country or state.
Oh, wow.
The Palmetto Heroes program is only for teachers, nurses, certain professions that are considered like firemen, police officers, and that usually opens up in March. So, but that's
Wow.
$12,000 to $15,000 of a down payment assistance that the state offers to the heroes in the state.
What is the website for that?
They can just, my website is Moving with Marsha Neal, so they can go on there and contact me, and I can get them everything they need to know.
Okay, is that .com or is that
Yes,
okay.
.com.
All
MovingWithMarshaNeal.com.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Marsha.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.